In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Goa Airline tickets on Skyscanner with a simple step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Skyscanner's website by typing in skyscanner.com. Once the page loads, you'll likely land on Skyscanner's home interface, which is organized to help you find flights, hotels, and car rentals. For our purpose today, we're focusing on flights, so go ahead and click on the Flights tab, conveniently located at the top of the page. This will direct you to a new page that's specifically designed for flight searches. Now it's time to enter your travel details. You'll see a search area where you can input your flight information. Begin by selecting your departure location. For this example, we'll assume you're departing from your nearest airport, and your destination should be set to Goa, specifically Dabolim Airport. Carefully check for any autocomplete suggestions from the drop-down to ensure you've selected the right airport. Next, let's move along to the search button. Simply click search to proceed, and Skyscanner will start loading the available flights for your inputted criteria. This may take a few seconds, so be patient while it works its magic. Once the search results are displayed, you'll see an array of flight options. Here's where you can make use of Skyscanner's filtering and sorting features. Depending on your preferences, you can filter your flights by price, travel duration, airline, layover, and more. Sorting can be done based on the least expensive, quickest, or best overall flight options. A little time spent here can significantly improve your travel experience. Once you've applied the filters and found a suitable flight, it's time to select it. Skyscanner will direct you to a page where you can review the flight details before proceeding with the booking. Next, we need to enter passenger details. It's crucial to fill these out as they appear on your passports or ID cards to avoid any issues during travel. Also, input your contact information, such as your email address and phone number. This information is vital for getting communications about your booking. Don't forget about baggage options. Double check if they are included. If not, you may need to add them separately. With passenger details carefully entered, you'll proceed to the payment section. Here, you'll find the platform's payment methods. Enter your payment information as required, ensuring everything is correct before completing the transaction. Finally, after payment is successful, you should receive a confirmation page. This page confirms your booking and will usually have information on how to view your ticket and itinerary. Make sure to keep this confirmation handy, whether by printing it or having it easily accessible on your phone. And there you have it, a complete guide to booking your Goa airline tickets on Skyscanner. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Safe travels!